Hi, hello children. You have already studied about fractions. Let us learn about decimal fractions. Observe the example children. First figure square is there. Second figure square is there, and divide the square into 10 equal parts and color one part of it. This is written as 1 by 10 in fraction. This denotes 1 out of 10. This is written in another form as 0.1. This method of writing is called decimal system. We read it as 0.1. Observe the next square. Divide the above square into 100 equal parts. If a part of it is colored, then how do you represent it in fraction? It is written as 1 by 100. In decimal system, it is 0.01 and it read as 0.01. Observe the next example. Rectangle. A rectangle with 10 equal parts is given. Color a part with a red. Observe the denominator to write it in decimal form. In fraction, it is 1 by 10. In decimal, it is 0.1. It read as 0.1. Rectangle with 10 equal parts is given below. Color 2 parts with green. Observe here. Represent it in decimal form. Observe the numbers in denominator in the fraction 2 by 10. In decimal it is 0.2. 0.2. If the 3 parts of a given rectangle is colored with blue, it is represented as 0.3. Observe the next circles. Here some parts are divided equally. How many parts are shaded? Observe one part is shaded. So in fraction it is written as 1 by 10. In decimals, 1 by 10 is written as 0.1. It is read as 0.1. Observe the next circle. Here also 10 equal parts is there and 2 parts are shaded. So it is written as fraction form 2 by 10 and it is written in decimal form 0.2. Observe the third circle. Here also 10 equal parts is there and 3 parts are shaded. So in fraction form we write 3 by 10. 3 by 10 is written in decimal as 0.3. Observe the next chart children. Here in fraction form given numerator, denominator and decimal form also given here. Observe the point between unit and tenth place. It is called decimal point. This separates from the whole part in decimal fraction. Remember children, in a number, if there is a decimal point, it is called decimal number. Decimal is another form of expressing fractions. Decimal means the denominator in fraction is 10, 100, 1000 and so on. In fraction form 1 by 10, here 1 is numerator and 10 is denominator, and we written as decimal form 0.1. Second one 2 by 10. 2 is numerator, 10 is denominator. It is written as in decimal form 0.2. Third one, here 3 is numerator and 10 is denominator. It is written as in decimal form 0.3. Now, fourth one. Observe the fraction form 1 by 100. Here 1 is numerator and 100 is denominator. So, we written as in decimal form of 0.01. Observe the fifth one, fraction form 2 by 100. 2 is numerator and 100 is denominator. So we written as in decimal form 0.02. Now sixth one, 3 by 100. So write in decimal form 0.03. Thank you children.